In a major leap towards strengthening public health security, India is set to transform its disease surveillance approach from traditional detective methods to a predictive model by integrating cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence, real-time data analytics, and digital intelligence platforms. This paradigm shift will significantly enhance the country's ability to identify outbreaks before they escalate. According to the National Center for Disease Control, AI-based event surveillance systems are already being used under the Integrated Health Information Platform. Talking to Akashvani News, Director NCDC Professor Ranjan Das said that the integration of AI-driven surveillance and technology-enabled rapid response mechanism promises to transform health security with the potential to save thousands of lives through timely targeted action. He emphasized that this shift aligns with the government's vision to create a future-ready public health system, enhancing national readiness against infectious diseases and climate-related health risks. Bureau Report News Now.